An informative essay exposes a reader to a number of different ideas. It's important for the writer to include smooth transitions to help the reader successfully move from one idea to the next. Have you ever run in a relay race where team members pass a baton from one runner to the next? Passing the baton has to be done very quickly, smoothly, and very efficiently. Now imagine that each individual runner in a relay race represents a different idea belonging to a separate paragraph in an essay, and the baton that the runners carry represent the reader. Just like the runners need to pass the baton in order to continue the race, the writer needs to smoothly and efficiently prepare the reader to move from one idea to the next so that the reader's baton of understanding doesn't fall on the ground. A well-written paragraph in an essay should include transition sentences. What are transition sentences? In a short essay, transition sentences usually appear at the beginning and end of the body paragraphs. They are usually only one sentence in length. Remember our comparison to a relay race? The transition needs to be quick, smooth, and efficient. Your topic sentence is actually a transition sentence because when it introduces a new idea, it should also show the reader how the new idea connects to the main idea expressed in your thesis statement. The concluding sentence at the end of a body paragraph is also an important transition sentence. The concluding sentence can confirm the main idea of the same paragraph, or it can introduce the main idea of the next paragraph. For example, what if you are writing a compare and contrast essay about online learning versus face-to-face learning, and the first body paragraph is about cost, the second body paragraph is about convenience, and the third body paragraph is about quality of learning. If the main idea of the first body paragraph compared the cost of studying online and on campus, your final sentence of the same paragraph could be a transition by making a general concluding statement about the cost, such as, "The cost of education is certainly a very important consideration for all students as they choose between studying online or on a university campus." This concluding sentence acts as a transition because it signals to the reader that the subject of cost has come to an end, and a new subject will be introduced in the next body paragraph. This is probably the most popular kind of transition sentence. However, the final sentence could also be a transition by briefly introducing the main idea of the next paragraph, which would be convenience. For example, although the matter of cost is very important, convenience is another issue that strongly influences whether students choose to study online or in face-to-face classes. This kind of sentence is an effective transition because it tells the reader exactly what the subject of the next paragraph is all about. In fact, a sentence like this would also be a good topic sentence, so it doesn't have to go at the end of the paragraph about cost, but it can also go at the beginning of the next paragraph that talks about convenience. So, how would you write a transition sentence that successfully transitions the reader from the subject of convenience in the second body paragraph to the subject of quality of education in the third body paragraph? Ready, set, go!